Not sure where to start on your career journey? Welcome to MyHub, a platform from Beckett Careers designed to support you in your career planning and development while at Leeds Beckett. Wondering what you should be doing each year of your studies? MyHub has you covered. There's also a career journey area with tailored advice for every step of your career plan. Need immediate help with your CV, LinkedIn profile, or preparing for interviews? Head over to our Application Support Hub. Looking for valuable work experience? Check out our dedicated placements and work experience site for expert advice on where to start. Or you can explore our extensive library of resources, covering a wide range of career support. Want one-on-one guidance? Book an appointment with one of our experienced careers consultants. But that's not all. MyHub also offers you the opportunity to engage with employers, explore different occupations and sectors, and get additional support with your job search. Take a look at our events listings to see what's coming up. And here's the best part. You can customise your MyHub experience. Simply set your preferences to see job vacancies that are relevant to you. So whether you're just starting out on your university journey or nearing graduation, MyHub is here to help you navigate the path to success and shape your future just the way you want it.